We are here at the Pearl Harbor National Memorial. We just finished touring around and doing all the things we want to do. It is an amazing experience here. It is something we would highly recommend doing.
In this video, we're going to share some of our top tips that'll help you have a great experience just like we had.
So there are a lot of awesome options here, lots of great tours and different things that you can check out. We chose to do the USS Arizona Memorial Tour. Highly recommend it. Probably their top experience. And we recommend booking your tickets in advance. So all you have to do is book your reservation, which means your check-in time to get on the ferry and go out to the memorial. You can do it online in advance. Super easy, and it just makes everything run that much more smooth. It's not mandatory, but it's definitely a top recommendation from us.
For sure. One thing about the Pearl Harbor National Memorial, it's a little out of the way if you're down in Waikiki, which most of us are when we're visiting. There are a number of ways to get here. You can Uber out, car rental, all kinds of things. We chose to just take the transit, like the local bus, and that was really great. We jumped on a 42 and it took us right from basically from our hotel right here, and it was only $3, so it's a real good deal. It takes a little longer. It was about an hour 15 maybe, but it's a nice, cool, air-conditioned bus ride. You get to hang with some of the locals. It's pretty great.
Yeah, it is pretty great, and it's actually a good way to save a few dollars. We did look into the price of an Uber to get out here, and it was about 30 American dollars, depending on the time of day that you choose to go. So the bus was a very economical option for us.
Absolutely.
Okay, so you cannot bring a bag in here. Before you even come through the door, there is a little kiosk off to the right-hand side where you check your bag. So no camera bags, no backpacks, no purses, but you can pay just a few dollars, you check your bag, and then you don't have to worry about it, which is kind of nice. You are able to bring in a camera. So that is not a problem. You can bring your wallet, your water, and your phone. Kind of recommend maybe wearing something with pockets so that you don't have to carry everything that you're trying to hold. But yeah, just be prepared. You will have to check your bag, but don't worry about cameras. You can absolutely bring those in.
Yeah, and there is a little snack bar here. So if you want to grab yourself some nuts or some chips, that kind of thing, or drink, it's all here for you.
So you don't have to be a history buff to get a lot out of Pearl Harbor. There is a lot of information here, so you will be able to learn everything that you need to know to understand the things that you are seeing and to really sort of get a sense of the impact and the moment in history that this place represents.
They have a number of exhibits and installations here, and we highly recommend doing these before you actually get on the ferry to head out to the USS Arizona Memorial. There's one called Road to War, and there's another one called Attack. And through that, you'll really get an understanding of the experience of leading up to that day and of course, December 7th, 1941. It gives you a real sense of the tragedy of it and the scale of it and exactly what went down. So with that context, when you jump on the ferry and you head out to the memorial, you're able to understand, and the gravity of it is there. So it's a really special experience. We highly recommend jumping into those exhibits before you go.
And on the way out of the attack room, definitely take a look at the Arizona Today exhibit, because it shows you the exact orientation of the battleship, the sunken battleship, and how it relates to the memorial that you'll be standing on.
Okay, one tip we'd recommend when you take the ferry out to the USS Arizona Memorial is to sit as close to the water as you can and get on the left side, which I think might be the port side. I think starboard is right. Anyway, get on that side because you get a really good view of the USS Arizona Memorial as well as the USS Missouri, the battleship, as you approach. And then when the ferry docks, you get a really nice view of the memorial before you even enter. Again, very special.
Very special. I've loved every minute here today.
Welcome to the USS Arizona Memorial.
We hope you enjoyed this video and will find these tips helpful. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and videos like this one.